we are doing an experiment called the autobiography cube experiment. Alright? You will be given sheets of paper. Do you have sheets of paper on your table? Yes, children. Then what you will be doing is on your sheet of paper, using a pen or a pencil and a scale, you will be drawing these boxes on your sheet of paper. You will draw on top across 18 centimeters, and this side you will be drawing with how many centimeters? 24 centimeters. So 18 across and 24 down, and you will make 3 columns and 4 rows of 6 centimeters each. 3 columns and 4 rows of 6 centimeters each. Please note, once you finish the second row, third row, fourth row, the alternate boxes have to be crossed. Once you finish crossing them, we will be providing you with glue as well as 2 pairs of scissors per table. You will cut out these boxes which have crosses in them, and you will have a ready-made tea with you with boxes. Now, Sunita ma'am will explain. Do you have some magazines on your table? Yes, ma'am will explain what to do with them.
Now, Gauri ma'am has just now given you a fair idea as to how to use your paper to make a cube like this, right? But when you make a cube, not an empty cube, you're going to make it a meaningful one that spells out your personality, spells out what are you, what am I. So it's talking about your interest. This is taking further the MI that you did the other day. You did identify yourselves with, I have this particular strength and I relate to this particular multiple intelligence. Did you do that exercise? So connected to that, probably because you are musical in nature, maybe a picture which talks about music, a violin photo or whatever, probably attracts you or is meaningful to you or reflects you. You take that picture and paste it on one of the surfaces. Is that clear? So how do you use these magazines and newspapers? You're going to pick up a word or a color or a picture or anything that speaks about your interests and kind of describes you, your strengths and what you mostly like to do. So your likes and dislikes, everything is in that. So in the end, when you use this cube and speak out to us, anybody else who's listening to you will be understanding you in and out, or at least to a fair extent, will be understanding your interest areas better. Clear? And your strengths too. So pick up pictures that strike a chord in you and that has a meaning to you. And it doesn't matter, it could be a word also.
There are pictures, and you can even write words or stick words from papers that you've seen, after which when you make your cube, each one of you will come out and speak as to why you chose a picture. Is it related to your likes, your strengths, your interests? Right, children? You will come out and speak on why you chose. It could relate to anything that you are particularly passionate or fond of.
So you've got 10 minutes for this activity, and then you've got the speaking activity.
You have to know. We'll be giving you even
sellotape, fevi-stick and scissors will be on each table now.